Hey guys and girls, welcome to your lesson number 2 of Learn Dutch Conversation by ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn some simple phrases about grocery shopping. Shopping or grocery shopping is called boodschappen doen. Boodschappen doen. Boodschappen doen. Boodschappen doen. Let's start our lesson. Grocery shopping. Boodschappen doen. How much does this cost? What cost it? What cost it? What cost it? How much does this cost? What cost it? Is it fresh? Is het fresh? Is it fresh? Simple. Is it fresh? Is it fresh? Is it fresh? It is too expensive. Het is te duur. Te is too and duur is expensive. Het is te duur. Het is te duur. Het is te duur. It is too expensive. It is stale. Het is mof. Het is mof. Het is mof. Het is moft. Het is mof. It is stale. This is cheap. Dit is goedkoop. Goedkoop is basically cheap. This is cheap. Dit is goedkoop. Dit is goedkoop. It's goedkoop. Dit is goedkoop. So guys and girls, let's start our practice session. I will speak in English and I would like you to translate and speak in Dutch. Grocery shopping. Yes, boodschappen. Boodschappen doen. Boodschappen doen. How much does this cost? What cost it? What cost it? What does it cost? Is it fresh? Is it fresh? Good. It is too expensive. Het is te duur. Duur. U. U is pronounced as U. Duur. Het is te duur. It is stale. Yes, het is mof. This is cheap. Very good. This is goedkoop. So guys and girls, thank you very much for joining us for lesson number 2 of Learn Dutch Conversation by ifactner.com. If you would like to do some more exercises and download this presentation, then please go to ifactner.com. If you like this presentation, then please give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Dag. Doei.